Hello guys, it's your boy Elemental, and today we're back with another video. We are gonna play Minecraft, and today we're gonna make the world's biggest cannon in, not biggest but greatest cannon in Minecraft. Let's start. First we're gonna need some tools. So let's first take the dispenser. Then we're gonna need redstone, a repeater, a button, we need water too, and the redstone, and TNT. So and a repeater, but we're not gonna use it now. And obsidian to make the borders and things. So let's start making it. First, we're gonna put 5 dispensers there. 3, 4, 5, and the other side as well. If you make a mistake, it's fine. Oh my god, I did already. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I put 6 there. I put 6. So now I put obsidian to make the border. Not there. Do not put there. We're gonna still need it there. Now we need the redstone to put it on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Put it on the floor also, just in case. 3, 4. I can't tell you how much we need. 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you put the water in, but you're gonna need a button and a gate. Not okay, a fence. There you go, and a pressure plate. You need to just find it. Put it down there make a hole in front of the obsidian. Then you break this one at the bottom over here. This one. Put it down. Then you put it down. Oh my god, the water doesn't appear, didn't it? Yes, it did. Put it down again. The obsidian there. You're gonna see it not breaking. There you go. Put the redstone on top of the obsidian. Put the dispenser in front, break that. Now I'm gonna put in all the TNT. I put it all in. What's the cow doing here? It's running away. The blood's already coming out of it. It's dead. Not me, actually. It's dead. It's gone now forever. Bye. Now, let's put down the button. Oh, the button is there. The TNT is in. Oh my. I'll be right back. There you go. I fixed it. Now let's test this thing out. Break that mistake. Let's clear all our things out. Press the button. Let's see. Oh, it's lagging. And it's gone. Oh my god. No way it broke. Oh my god. It broke. Back for another video. Maybe next time it will actually work. Why do I do this? Why do I try making something that doesn't work out? Anyway, next video in the next month. Elemento out.